Oh, it's Carlos.
Hey everybody, welcome back to theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Again, it's theclinicaltrialsguru.com. I'm joined today, randomly, with the pickle guy, Chris Auber. So we got a question from someone, a viewer, who is asking, when is it appropriate to use social media to keep track of your subjects that are lost to follow-up? So you already have a subject in a trial, they're lost to follow-up, which means that they haven't shown up for their next visits, they're not responding to mail, phone calls. Can you use social media like Facebook to track them down? And I think the answer, and by the way, you ask 10 people this, you're going to get 10 different answers. My answer is yes, it is okay, and I will tell you under what conditions it's okay and what you should not do. And then, Chris, first of all, what do you have to say about this?
Well, you also left out an important part of the question. The person's asking, when does it become stalking?
Yeah, when does it become stalking?
And that would be up to your local or state law enforcement agencies to determine. So if you're truly worried about stalking, you might want to look up the laws.
So state laws have laws for stalking.
Sure.
Okay, so do that first, right? Now here's where I draw the line. As long as you're keeping the conversation as vague as possible, because people's Facebooks can get hacked, people's social networks can get hacked. Social media sites like Facebook could be reading these things. I mean, phone calls are obviously people are able to monitor your phone calls, but people don't have these same issues with Verizon when it comes to engaging in confidential information with a patient, specifically information that would violate HIPAA. But when it comes to social media, because it's still brand new, people do have these issues. And I think as long as, in my opinion, and of course you ask 10 people the same question, you're going to get 10 answers. In my opinion, as long as you're keeping it vague to where should their account get hacked, someone can't find out what medical condition they have or what medications they're taking, you're not going to have those kind of conversations. Any personal information like date of birth. I mean, obviously they're going to get their name if they hack their Facebook, but you just want to keep it vague, like, hey, you're lost to follow up, make sure you give us a call, or message me back. That's even more vague. Message me back if interested in coming back for your visit.
I wouldn't go any further than we need to set up your next visit. Be about as far as
we need to set up your next visit. So I don't consider that stalking. However, the patient might, which then you're going to have to consider, what are the ramifications of that. But I don't think that's necessarily stalking. You're just doing your due diligence and using technology that we have available while still respecting and maintaining your states and your company's SOPs and HIPAA guidelines. Anything else you want to add?
No.
Nice pickles.
Thank you.
All right, so hopefully that helps. The person asking this is actually an expert in this field, so I'm actually curious to hear your thoughts on this. And if you want me to interview you, I would love that, because I think I think this is an important issue going forward, and a lot of people would be curious to hear your take on this, right? Not just mine, yours. So let me know if you'd like to come on the show to get interviewed. We can do a quick 10-minute interview, all right? Thanks a lot for watching. Let me know your thoughts on this. Dan and Chris from theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Take care.